It's day 4 here in SoCal. We're about to go check out the Sunny Jim Cave here in La Jolla. But before we do, I just wanted to show you guys this nice view. Whoa, look at all those pelicans. Seals. Are they seals? Wow, this is crazy. Watch your step, Kathy. We are going down to the Sunny Jim Sea Cave. We are in the cave, baby. I'm in a cave. I'm a true caveman. Paddle, baby, paddle. Look at that guy. Look at those two guys right there. Cool guys. Danger. Struggling. Guessing this is the access point to down there. Sorry. Oh yeah, beer baby. Shout out Coors Light. Maybe I'll get free Coors Now for life for doing this.
Time to eat some dry fish.
Yeah, it smells like tuyo. And this is the reason why we want to move down here.
Because of the views.
With views like this. All right, we made it here to Belmont Park. I think this is Mission Beach. And here's the view. Elliptical bike road. Oh, look at this supermodel right here. So hot. Oh, she looked. All by herself. She's working. Hey. Kathy's been wanting a pizza fix, and she got it. One cool thing that we've done this past trip is not try a place that we've already had from past SoCal trips. So all the foods that we've eaten so far are all new to us. And that was a goal because, you know, you don't want to just keep getting the same food all the time when you go down here. Last stop of the day, Anaheim Packing District. It's lit, it's so busy, but I hope we can find a table and eat good. Man, I'm so full. I ate so much food here at the Packing District. I got some jambalaya. I got a salad. I got braised ribs. And I got chicken mac and cheese and mashed potatoes. I ate it all. I'm just so hungry. For those of you who don't know what or where the Anaheim Packing District is, it's downtown Anaheim? Would you call this downtown? It's in downtown Anaheim, and it's pretty much a nice section where you can buy beer, wine, food, desserts, all in one place. It's got, I don't know, I would say at least 20 different places to eat, and it's just a great place to dine and socialize with your friends and family. So if you're ever in the Anaheim area, check it out. This is the goddamn crepes that we were waiting for. Oh god, it's so dark now. Dang it. Okay, like I was saying earlier, this is the crepe that we've been waiting for. Looks lit. Dive in. Last night here in Anaheim, went for a night swim. Super cold at first, but now.
Okay, thank you.
But now we gotta head out. So, peace. It's so dark now. Dang it. Wait for it. I'm not gonna trip. If I did, it would make for great vlog footage still.